What's up YouTube friends and family, welcome back. Today I have a new brand in the house. This is from Angeles. This is a Tipex Instant Apex Sculpted Acrylic Tip Set. This company reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing their product, and they thought my audience would be interested in it as well, and of course I couldn't say no after looking into their product. So they did send this to me as PR. So this kit comes with everything you need to do your nails, an instruction manual, and I always recommend actually really reading the instruction manual. They're not all the same, like there is certain things that are different. So this is super cool because it has an automatic sensor on it, which is like 60 seconds. You don't need to press anything, you literally just put your finger on and it will just turn on and turn off. It has a built-in 60-second timer. The 2-in-1 nail buffer and file is always a bonus. I love that. I've always actually made one of my own previously, and it works really well, and it just saves time from having to use two different things. The USB cord is a fairly good length. I have it put in two so you can just tell how long it is. And this is a nail glue. This is the nail glue you're going to use to attach your nails, and I love this because it comes in tube form for one, and it has dispenser nozzle at the bottom, like a nozzle to dispense the glue out of, which is amazing. Now the base coat, I always check the base coat to see the consistency, and this is not too thick and it's not too thin. It's in between, which is a good consistency, I think. So these sculpted acrylic nails are literally amazing. So if you're looking for that instant perfect apex, perfect C-curve, perfect hardness like acrylic, then you're looking for these, because these are everything that I just mentioned and then some. The one thing I love about these is that I have a very flat nail bed, and these just go on like they're supposed to be there. Like this is my nail. That's what it feels like. And if you look at it, it looks like, you know, there's a huge space underneath, but there really isn't. It's literally flush to my nail. The apex is perfect right where it's supposed to be. Like if I were to have acrylic nails on, that's exactly where they would build my apex. The C curve is perfect. Like these are perfectly sculpted, pre-shaped nails. Like I can't get over it. These are definitely comparable to acrylic nails for sure. Like I said earlier, you cannot break these, you cannot bend these. These are amazing. So before I apply these nails, I'm going to rough up the inside. You can use a drill for this, or you can do how I'm using it right now by roughing up the inside. I do recommend prepping your nails for max adhesion and to get up to 28 days wear. So I did have these nails on for about a week, and I only did the one hand, which is my non-dominant hand, so it wouldn't be in my way. I use my right hand for basically everything, so my left hand is just like a helper. So I did dishes, I moved furniture, I moved boxes, I took care of my son who was still a baby, and so much more, and I was just fine. Moving strollers in and out of the car, and groceries, all kinds of things. Girl, these are amazing. So first you're gonna wanna apply your base coat and cure that, and then take like a bead size amount of nail glue and apply it to the nail. And as you see here, I don't need to hold it underneath the light. It's fine. I do end up holding the nails just out of habit, but you really don't need to hold it. The nail gel is very thick, so you can literally place it onto your nail and then put it into the light, or you can do all 5 fingers and then cure it one time. But I am very clumsy, so I'm going to cure each nail, flash cure each nail, and move on to the next one. But they are very secure, even just with a flash cure. But I really love this nail glue. You don't need any hand support. You can literally just put the glue on and then place your hand under the light, which is amazing. This is like a 2-in-1 formula, so you can use this multiple different ways, like a nail tip adhesive even. And like I said, the fact that you can do all 5 fingers at once is just really amazing, and the thick texture is great. The one thing I do want to mention about these nail tips is to pick a size larger than what you would normally go for. That's just what I found when sizing up these tips. So yeah, these are super easy to use, whether you're just beginning to learn how to do nails or you're a vet. It really doesn't matter. These are like so easy to use, and I totally recommend these to beginners, nail enthusiasts, nail techs. You can save a ton of money. You can work 5 times faster. The work's already done. You don't have to file, you don't have to do any layering, you don't have to shape anything. You literally need to apply the nail, apply your polish, your design, and you're done. It's so easy. So I totally recommend this to everybody. Yeah, and the price is just like very affordable. I'll leave the link down below for you guys, and you can check it out for yourself. This is from Amazon. The fact that these lasted me an entire week, girl, I am blown away, because I'm like one of the roughest people when it comes to my nails. That's why I always worked with acrylic to begin with. That's why I always got acrylic nails. I would never even consider getting gel nails back in the day, because I'm so rough with my hands. I'm just like a rough person. So I need that structure. I need that thickness. And these nails gave me everything I was looking for, because I really wanted to see like how these would hold up for me, and they really held up. Like, girl, these are a game changer for 2024. Yeah, I totally recommend these. Like I said, I'll leave the link down below, but I'm just gonna quickly design these and then I'll show you the final look. But this kit was absolutely amazing. I feel really blessed that I received this in PR and then I got to review this kit, and I totally recommend it to anyone who's just even interested in wanting to do their own nails and you're an acrylic wearer, like you wear acrylic nails. These are for you. And it's so easy. Anybody could do this. Like, it is so easy. So I would definitely try this kit out if you're looking to start doing your nails, because this is like a game changer, girl. You don't have to do really anything except for prep your nails, apply the nails, and polish them, and you're done. And shout out to 5 Angeles for sending me this kit. Like, I'm super grateful about it, and I loved it, so thank you so much. And shout out to all my beautiful, amazing supporters and subscribers. I wanted to show you the Apex up close and personal. Girl, it is giving me life, giving everything that it's supposed to give. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, and until next time, be kind to everyone, including yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.